today I'm going to be taking you on how to create a website. You see, there are a lot of tools out there online that you can use to create a free website, like WordPress, Code, or Canva. But today we're going to be talking about Canva. Canva is an online tool or platform that allows you to create your own website, either for paid version or for free. Now, today we're going to be using the free version or the free one to create our website. The first thing we're going to do is go to Chrome and type in canva.com. Of course, I have it with me already. So now, if you don't have an account, the first thing you're going to do when you get here is go ahead and create an account. Or if you are like, I already have an account, so when you're done creating the account, you're going to choose the type of website that you want to create. So the first thing you're going to do is scroll right here and type website. Now, depends on the kind of website you want to create. Let's say I want to create a service website, like a restaurant website, or a food website, or like let's say a small restaurant. Let's go through the service and choose service website. It's going to bring us to this page where we can start editing and creating our website. So there is a difference between the paid version and the free version. You see, in the paid version, you get to customize your own domain like the way you want, but in the free one, Canva already customizes the domain. The only thing you're going to do is add a little few description to it. Like if you're saying like if your website is going to be like, if you want to call your website let's say Apple Restaurant .com, it's going to be applerestaurant.com.canva when you're using the free version of Canva. But if you're using the paid one, then you can be able to customize it anyhow you want. So first thing we're going to do is go through this, and we are for sure okay. Let's use this one. Some templates here are paid for and some templates here are free. So when you're using the free one, you should go for the free templates. The ones that have the crown symbol on it is paid for, so you can't use it for free, but these ones are free. And I think Canva offers a preload of choices. You know, like the templates are really cool. Like the paid one and the free one, the four templates are real cool. You can use anyone. So I'm going to go ahead and apply all the 5 pages of it. So let's go. So the first thing we're going to do is customize. So let's customize this image. Okay, let's replace it. Okay, first thing, in order to make this good, okay, the first thing when you're creating a website is to upload all the pictures and videos that you would love to be working with. Okay, let me show you how to upload a video or an image to your project. So the first thing I'm going to do, if I don't have, let's say I want to upload another image, the first thing I'm going to do is upload. I'm going to type on this upload an image, and it's going to bring me to these options here. So I would advise you to choose device. Depends on where the video that you're going to be using is stored. If it's on Instagram, then you can type on Instagram, or if you type device, it allows you to export videos and or whatever you want to be working with to Canva. So first thing I'm going to type on is device, and it's going to bring us to these options with file, and I'm going to choose the picture that I want to upload. Right, let's press select, and it's going to upload now. Okay, so we are already done with that one. So the first thing here is I'm going to be choosing this. Right, let's go for this one. Right, okay, and we are going to edit the text here to whatever we want. Let's edit it to let's say we're going to call this Apple's Restaurant. Let's edit it to Apple Restaurant. Right, then this, you're going to delete this, right, and we're going to I think we should delete this too. I don't know, is it going to go? No, let's leave it. Is it good though? Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is design here. We are going to change this to have a delicious, or whatever you want to write. I'm just typing this from my head. I didn't really have this on notes. So have a delicious recipe or whatever. This is an example. You can go ahead and type in whatever you want. This is an example. Have a delicious recipe, or have a delicious, or have a nice meal, or order a nice meal. Right, so you can go ahead and edit this picture if you want to, or should we though? Let's leave it, it's good. So this is going to be like, you can go ahead and write in anything you want. This is range that we, so, okay, let's edit this to, we have been around 5 years, or 5 years, developing our services to the betterment and satisfaction, or to your betterment and satisfaction, developing our services to your betterment and satisfaction. Okay. So this is taking time. Is not supposed to take a lot of time. So our services to your betterment and satisfaction. Okay, I think it's good. So that says it. The next thing we're going to do is the menu. Oh, you can go ahead and edit this to replace it with this. The color is okay. Let's replace this with this. Replace this with whatever we want to. But I think it's going to be really nice. And let's change the background. Let's replace the background. Let's use the color. Oh, let's use the color. No, doesn't make sense enough. No. Let's choose the color to replace it with. Right. Okay, I think it's nice. Okay, so that is good. This good so far. So the next thing we are going to do is we can also edit this to whatever we want. And then we can change the description right in here to our contact, like how we can be contacted. Okay, let's say and we can also put a link. This is like something that most people that use or these websites find difficult to do. You could put an Instagram link or a Snapchat link that once people tap on that link, it takes them straight to your Instagram page. I'm going to be showing you how to do that here. So let's delete this though. Let's be like, okay. Order now. Let's do not miss out. Do not miss out on our great value. Order now. We deliver to your doorstep. Okay, and you can be like, this is like Apple food. You can, if you have a website though, if you have another website, you can link this to also. Just be like Apple food. Okay, it's good. Right, so here we are going to be that okay, we're going to edit this to click the link to here. Let's say, okay, let me show you how to add the link. Okay, let's say in this you can edit this to your own way, like however you want to do this. I'm sorry, this is really small. I'm supposed to like okay. So if you want to add a link, you can type this button here. It's going to show you how to add a link. If you want to add a link, when you type this and let me show you how I did it. When you type this, like one click, you're gonna see this trash bin here, this trash can, and you're gonna see these three dots. You're gonna click on the three dots, When you click on the three dots, it's going to lead you to this place, and you're going to see link. You can link your social media, your Instagram name to it. All you have to do is just go get your Instagram link and add it to it. It's going to link. So this is the link here. When you type on it, enter a link. When you enter the link on your Instagram, the link that brings people to your Instagram, when people click on the link, it's going to bring them to your listing. Okay, let me go. Let me use Snapchat as an example. Let me go check out my Snapchat and bring up my Snapchat. Okay. Let me view my Snapchat link. Let's say okay. Save. Share my profile link. Copy link. Okay, I've copied the link now. And come on, paste the link here. Paste it here. Then that's it. When you're using a mobile version of this, sometimes it's just default. So when it happens, all you have to do is just go back, and don't worry, all your works are saved. All you have to do is go back and continue. Okay. 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 Let's see. Let me show you how your Insta platform, like what we've done so far. This is what it's going to look like when people log in to your website. And I can make all these shiny and make it like floating. I can do a lot of works. I can do better than this though. But this is just an example. So let's keep on editing. Okay. So I can make this like float. Animate, yeah. Right. And I can also make this like also animate. This also. Right. Okay. So we're gonna be like before then we're gonna be like, oh, you can be here, you can say click on Snapchat link below to messages on Snapchat, and you can also drop your WhatsApp number here. Message us on Snapchat. Okay, so when we've got this message on here, we can get this. This is okay. Let me do something here. Yeah, okay. Snapchat link, right? Okay. Click here. Okay, so when we have this done now, the next thing we're going to do is we are going to add a link to the Snapchat link. So I've got my Snapchat link copied at times. I want to do is paste it here. Then when I paste it, boom, it's link added. Then we can go down below and give more description of our jobs, or we can just get it. Let's say just get a discount. And this, you're free to add anything you want. This is just an example. So let's say I'm going to say get a discount now. Get a discount now with our promo code. With a promo code. Okay, with a promo code. And I'm going to write the code here. It world 2 3. This is going to be the promo code, right? Okay, next thing we're going to do is show up. Let's say we're going to best taste. Let's say we're going to put on our address here. Washington Road. Let's say Davie Road, Washington. Okay, sorry. Let's first of all address or home address or home address. Right. Let's see. Davy Road. Lane Street. Street. Washington. Right, okay, then we can make this, this text right here, we can change it, like edit it. You understand that? You can space it a little so people don't really, spacing. Right, let's go like this. Washington, and we're gonna be a format, like, let's say this like this though. It's good. Make a reservation today. Okay. So let me give you a preview of what we have done. Now the website is going to be like this, right? You've got this floating in, right? And this is our address. And okay, I'm going to customize things. If I want to customize, and for those of them who are going to be viewing it from a desktop, this is what it's going to look like in the desktop. It's taking time, so it's gonna load. Yeah, this is what it's going to look like in the desktop. You can also add videos to your projects, but I'll be showing that later. So let's go back to what we're doing. So now that we could add some of the pictures, to make our website look great. So to add pictures, all we're going to do is press this plus stuff. The more we press it, the more templates keep adding up, and we can add pictures to those templates. You understand? Like, to make it a little bit stocky, then when we're done, we can just go back. Now we've got like 3 more spaces where we can add the template, right? Okay, so what we're going to do to add the template is we're going to press the replace, and we are going to see, okay, now we can crop this. We can. Now this is not good like this, okay? Like, it's not supposed to be like this. So what we are going to do is we are going to detach it and crop it ourselves, right? We are going to detach this so it doesn't look like the image is too big for the template. So, and we can replace color with the orange color of this, right? This is good. I think it's good. Then we can also replace with this, right? Yeah, we can also replace with this. Right. So this is what it's going to look like. So animation, we can animate the names, to make it like float. Right. This is cool. So I'm going to pause this. So this go like this, right? Okay, so this is just like the basics of creating a website. Okay, I'm just gonna upload this like this, right? I think we've done a good job. So we can also add, it depends though, it depends on what you want your website to look like. It depends on how stocky you want it to be. You can always add pictures. Now any picture that is like this doesn't really look good, like it has to show. All we got to do is detach this one too, like to make it show the whole view of it. Then we can change the website, or we can replace the color with what this looks like. Oh, okay. Let's check here. No. Okay. I'm looking for a background that's going to match Right, this, I think they should. Nice, I think they should. Okay. So, we have done a good job. Okay, so let's customize some things here. Right. Let's, make this a little bit bigger so people. I like this though. The home address. You can make this a little bit bold. You can also make this like transparent. You can also make this like, sorry, animate. Right. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we are done creating this. Like when you're doing your own, you can have time, you can spend time and customize it the way you want. But this is just for an example. It's like an example, so you can have a little meaning of what creating a website looks like. This is just to show you a tip of what you're going to encounter when creating a website. So we are going to go ahead and publish it. To publish, you want to hit this arrow that says, are we going to be like, there's an arrow generating a review, publish website. Then we are going to publish it now. Okay. Before we can publish it, I'll show you. I'll type on it so you can have a review of all the works that we've done. Okay. So when they click their Snapchat links, it takes them straight to Snapchat. You see what I was talking about? Yeah, you can add an Instagram link too. This picture. It's not bad for a step. So we can go ahead and publish it. Publish website. Now here is where you are going to, get a free domain. You're using a free domain, publish to a Canva domain, which is free. Purchase a new domain. Use an existing domain. You're using a free domain, so it's free of charge. Like the domain is free of charge if you're using a free domain. But you got a limited option when you're using a free one. Like you've got like 5, you go to try like 5 of it. Now, so let's continue with the free domain name. Then let's say we are going to customize that to let's say Apple food, right? Apple foods, right? Then publish Apple foods. Then you're going to see this applefoods.canva that you're going to get. It's not supposed to be your website. You can edit design, we can publish design, and I think there's a little error going on here. Nope. Unpublish website. Okay, so let's go ahead and publish it. Using a free domain, we are going to continue. Okay, let's publish it. And I think you can cut down the length of this by using a bit link. There is an app called a bit link that you can use to cut down links, So this is supposed to be the main link. The Apple restaurant was supposed to be the main link. This my sex hub site. Canva was the website that I did create for somebody. Now I didn't know that you only get to have one URL name, so I guess that's just what it is. So it was added to this one. Now it's going to be restaurant. But I think you can shut this down with bit link that you can cut it down with. I think so. I don't know if it works, but I've had somebody say that. So this is what it's going to be like. So this is not supposed to show this sex website, but I have already made a website with this free domain for somebody who want to use it as something. I don't know. You just asked me to make a website for him. So I made a website for her, free website for her. Now this is another website. This is like a combined URL, so I'm going to be like copy the link. So when you copy this link and you go to Google and you paste the link in, you're going to see what you've made. Apple restaurant, right? So this is what it is. This is what it's going to be like. So you'll see, and when they click this Snapchat link, it takes them straight to your Snapchat, right? Okay, good. So let's go back, and let's view the website. Okay, let's go back though on Canva, right? Yeah. Let's do some here. Let's do some here. Let's resize this. Yeah, let's resize that. And let's go ahead and let's go back and edit that. The link. Paste it. Let's see what it's going to be like. Okay, so this is what I was talking about though. It's good, right? So you can also do some reshuffling if you want to. Yeah, I forgot to say something. Like if you go back to this and you want to re-edit what you've already done, you can do that. It's so easy. Just say I want this to be at the last page of the design. What I'm going to do is I take it to the last page of the design, right? Something like this, right? Till it gets to the last page, right? Just like arranging it till it gets to the last page, right? So this now is going to be what it's going to look like. Then the second, nothing is going to come to like. So let's do this. See, yo, I think this okay. Make a reservation today, okay? And this should be the last. Yeah, I think it should be like this. So you don't need to republish it whenever you make a change in your website. Whenever you make a change in the website, that's the way it's going to be. Like, okay, let's go to Google now, and I'm just going to log this in. You understand? Like, I'm going to type in that link. You're going to see that shit is not on the last page. Let's go. Okay, I have to publish it though. Oh, I forgot. I didn't publish it. I was supposed to publish it. That was a mistake I made. I was supposed to. So whenever you do something, it's always gonna be around here. Apple restaurant though, it's always gonna be around here. So no, it's the old one. All you have to do is right. So it's supposed to be the last one though. You're gonna upload it though to the same website, the same one, the same domain name. Continue. Right. Exactly. Just want to make that one be on the last page of the link. You know, like it's going to be better because it shows the address after the whole research, after the whole table. Then they're going to see your address and how to contact you and everything about your contact. So it's better that way. So we just going. This is the way it's going to be. So let's just put it on Google now. Right. Right. Let's see. See what it is. See what it is though. Like it's good. Okay, so you see, it's now on the last page of the distance. So that's it on how to make a free website. Subscribe, so I'll be showing you on how to add a video to the website. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thanks for viewing.